Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into the tool heads crate again. Now, because of the holidays and everything, I am actually running behind, so this is going to be, I believe, the November tool heads crate, not the December one. I'm not sure if that one's out yet, but we're going to get into this. Let me know your guys' thoughts, drop it down in the comments. And then that, I do have a lot of tools and car parts and everything that I do suggest down in the description below for you guys if you guys are interested, so go ahead and check that out. But other than that, getting into this month's or last month's tool head crate, opening it up, first thing you're going to get is your little letter that they write every month. This is a SP Tools 20% off coupon. Then the apparel this month is actually going to be a beanie instead of a shirt, which is a nice touch for the holidays, so it's kind of thoughtful. Then you are going to receive the American-made beef jerky from a company called Bulk. Be kind, be strong, be you. This is sweet and spicy brisket. Looks like some good stuff. Next up, over here, actually, is a pocket knife. This is actually O'Reilly's First Call, dedicated to the professional. So, simple little, it's almost like a rubberized plastic here. No serrated part of the knife. I could definitely use some sharpening, that's for sure. But other than that, nice little pocket knife included. Next up is going to be some industrial shears or scissors. This actually seems pretty nice. Come with a little cap. Maybe I put that on backwards. I don't know. Nope, that was correct. So you got a little tab that slides over the locking nut on the back. They are spring loaded. Those seem like some pretty nice shears. So only goes on one way. Let's figure it out. All right, and that's going to be 188 or 180 millimeter, part number SP32267. Focus. Next up is the P10 Professional Tools and Equipment news magazine or catalog, kind of, which includes a lot of tools and stuff, obviously, for shops and everything like that. And that is it for this month's tool heads crate. So you get the P10 magazine / catalog, the industrial shears, the pocket knife, the beef jerky, and the tool heads crate apparel. So my thoughts on it: tool heads crate has progressively, in my personal opinion, been getting a little better and better every month. A nice addition to the one a couple back was the toolbox widget. And then also, don't forget, if you are signed up for this, you have the possibility of getting the golden wrench, which is usually a bigger, couple $100 some sort of tool as a gift to whoever gets the golden wrench in their crate. But this month, I would actually like to say that it's kind of, I feel like it's kind of short. The beanie is a nice touch. We all know beef jerky is not cheap. I would actually buy a lot of beef jerky if it wasn't so damn expensive. But I still feel like it's a little short this month. So that's my thoughts on it. Good stuff in here, I believe, but seems a little short this month. But please let me know your guys' thoughts. Leave it down in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below like I just stated. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys in the next one.